the one question that the CFO or the individual who is presenting the results of the financial modeling exercise to the key stakeholders, think, finance committee or board, it's the one question that they always get and they always dread. And the question is, where did that number come from? It's a real challenge, particularly given the available tools that folks use for financial modeling today, to have trust and confidence in your numbers. So the stakeholders know that the models were built in, most of the time in Excel, and they know the inherent limitations of the Excel platform in terms of auditability and transparency of numbers and so forth. So if you think about it, you're standing there, you're showing your beautiful presentation deck, and that question comes, and really the only legitimate answer that you have in most cases is, I'll have to get back to you. It's not a great answer for you to have to deliver to C-level executives or boards when you're making important decisions. The financial modeling platform solves for that. And it solves for that because it was designed specifically for financial modeling at the highest levels. So, for example, that same question comes up, and I'll go into a little bit of the feature stuff, but the same question comes up, where did that number come from? Which has an explain feature, which allows you to drill down and keep drilling down so that you could see the formulas, you could see the calculations, you can see everything that was associated with that cell. And oh, by the way, it's for every number that's calculated within the financial modeling platform. So think about the power of that as you're presenting the numbers and that question comes up. Where did that number come from? One click. Transparency, auditability, clarity. Our clients have much richer discussions over the strategic decisions that they're trying to make because they don't have to spend time answering questions like, where did that number come from?